Digun. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AJ Tech House. On today's agenda, I will show you how to turn on notification in Microsoft, in Outlook, sorry. Without wasting much time, I would proceed to my Outlook on the web. I think I have it here, but let me go back here and open it again. Yeah. So Outlook is coming up. All I need to do is I can access the settings two ways, right? I can come to view and then click on view settings here, which is kind of easier if this settings over here is not, this settings button is not showing immediately when your Outlook is launched, right? Or I can come here and click on settings and then I have the same view. So all I need to do next is to click on general and then come over here to notifications, right? So I could set notifications for my emails, for my calendars, or for my documents, right? So when there are mentions, when I'm mentioned in a document, right, I can get a notification. I can decide to say I want to I don't want a notification for documents. I only want for calendar or I only want for mail, right? I can turn off for calendar and then turn on for mail. Also, I can decide to turn everything on, right? So I can decide to turn it off totally and everything is turned off. So for you, if notification is turned off for you, all you need to do is come to settings, general, notification, and then notifications in Outlook. You click on this to turn it on, and then you can click on this drop down to allow notifications to play sound. So if you want your notifications to play sound, right? You can set this to allow, or you can turn it off if you don't want the sound, if the sound is irritating to you, right? So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. For watching this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also kindly share the video with your colleagues, your friends, and then those who might be starting out in Microsoft 365. Also turn on your notifications so that you can be notified of the videos that I drop every Monday. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.